careful when you're crossing the road.
When you are crossing the road, you never ever jaywalk. Look right and left first and then look ahead and walk. If you can't find the crosswalk, you should be more careful. Even when you use the crosswalk, do not run and keep walking.
E-E-O-E-O, E-E-O-E-O, safely together. First stop, stand, second check ahead. Lastly, keep walking. Oh, it's raining! Ah!
And when dark nights, everybody cannot see very well.
So if ever these vehicles are defective 12 months, that are defective within 12 months or that runs away on 20 kilometers, whichever comes first. So this will apply only after repair attempts or vehicle has been out of service for 30 cumulative days. Sunod-sunod na 30 days, if ever yung vehicles na napalit is very defective at walang gamit. So you have the rights or guarantees that pwede iulit sa inyong money na inyong ipalit or pwede iulit ang sakyanan, including the replacement of vehicle, all full refund of your money. So including those are the taxes, the registration fees, filing of complaints, so even if you can file complaints those who have defrauded you or illegal defective na mga vehicles. So, this via Department of Trade and Industry or DTI. So, always remember, do not be defrauded by others. So, you have the rights, everyone of us the rights. So, you have the rights to bring back the vehicles that are defective. Which one you have bought earlier or which is out of service. So, that's all. Thank you. Remember, we have the 11th law, the
Bright colored clothes and umbrella.